Lesson: Steps to embed privacy in organizational practices. Embedding privacy in organizational practices is a crucial aspect of the Certified Information Privacy Manager curriculum, specifically within the Privacy by Design and by Default section. This lesson focuses on actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can directly implement. The goal is to ensure that privacy is not merely an afterthought, but a fundamental component of every process and system within an organization. To begin embedding privacy into organizational practices, it is essential to adopt a mindset that prioritizes privacy at every stage of product development and service delivery. This approach is encapsulated in the concept of privacy by design, which emphasizes the proactive integration of privacy into the design and operation of IT systems, networked infrastructure, and business practices. The first step in this process is conducting a comprehensive privacy impact assessment. This tool allows an organization to evaluate its current processes, identify potential privacy risks, and develop strategies to mitigate them. A PIA involves mapping data flows, identifying personal data collected, and assessing the legal basis for processing such data. Once a PIA is completed, the next actionable step is to establish a robust data governance framework. This framework should define roles and responsibilities for data management, ensuring accountability and transparency across the organization. Implementing data minimization principles is critical here. Data minimization requires that only the necessary data for a specific purpose is collected and retained. This principle not only reduces the risk of data breaches, but also aligns with regulatory requirements, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union. Another practical tool is the development of privacy policies and procedures that reflect the organization's commitment to privacy. These documents should be clear, accessible, and regularly updated to reflect changes in technology and regulation. Training and awareness programs for employees are essential to ensure that everyone in the organization understands their role in protecting personal data. Regular training sessions can help reinforce the importance of privacy and ensure compliance with established policies. Integrating privacy into the product development lifecycle is another crucial aspect of embedding privacy in organizational practices. By incorporating privacy considerations during the design phase, organizations can anticipate potential issues and address them before they become problematic. This approach involves using techniques such as data masking, encryption, and anonymization to protect personal data. Additionally, conducting regular privacy audits and reviews can help identify areas for improvement and ensure ongoing compliance with privacy standards. Incorporating privacy-enhancing technologies is another effective strategy for embedding privacy. PETs are tools and technologies designed to protect personal data and enhance user privacy. Examples include secure multi-party computation, zero-knowledge proofs, and homomorphic encryption. These technologies can be integrated into existing systems to provide additional layers of security and privacy. Organizations should also consider adopting privacy certifications, such as ISO IEC 27701, which provides a framework for managing privacy information management systems. Achieving such certifications demonstrates an organization's commitment to privacy and enhances its reputation with customers and partners. Case studies provide valuable insights into how organizations have successfully embedded privacy into their practices. For instance, a study of the Dutch government's implementation of privacy by design principles in its smart metering project demonstrated the effectiveness of this approach. By integrating privacy considerations from the outset, the project achieved a high level of user trust and compliance with data protection regulations. Similarly, the telecommunications company Vodafone implemented a global privacy program that included PIAs, privacy training, and regular audits, resulting in improved data protection and increased customer trust. Statistics further underscore the importance of embedding privacy in organizational practices. According to a survey by Cisco, 97% of companies reported benefits from investing in privacy, including increased customer trust, reduced data breaches, and greater operational efficiency. These findings highlight the tangible benefits of prioritizing privacy and demonstrate the value of adopting a privacy by design approach. In conclusion, embedding privacy in organizational practices requires a comprehensive and proactive approach. By conducting privacy impact assessments, establishing data governance frameworks, developing privacy policies, integrating privacy into the product development lifecycle, and adopting privacy-enhancing technologies, organizations can effectively protect personal data and build trust with their stakeholders. The use of case studies and statistics further illustrates the benefits of this approach and provides practical examples of successful implementation. As privacy concerns continue to grow, organizations that prioritize privacy will be better positioned to navigate the evolving regulatory landscape and maintain a competitive edge.